Back up, so I can forget about it. Forget about it.
I looked at the convertible, I broke it with the top up, drove it with the top down, and then I got in this, and I ain't no comparison. I got to get it. I can take the top off.
That top come off?
I had another top. You got a C5 convertible? You got it one at a time? Hey, I've got something for you. I had a C5 convertible. Okay. And I've got right down on it. Bolts down just like the convertible top.
Okay.
And everything. I probably didn't see none around here. I ordered mine like 10 years ago. They were just the And when I sold my C5, I took it off. So I knew I could, C5 only works so much. And that top, I got the silver white. Oh, see what it looks like? Okay.
Well, my car's beautiful.
Huh? Yeah, but all you got to do, you take the Chevrolet dealership, they pull the VIN number up, get the paint code, $200, they paint it to match.
Well, I look at it, but I don't really dig that like that on me. They got the hard top for the C5 convertible. You got the hard top for the C5 convertible.
Oh.
And we seen one of those songs.
Don't forget, all the People's Choice folks rely on you. Please
There's
make
another
your way
car
over
that
to
has
the
flashing
table.
lights, see?
Write
Wow,
down the number.
yeah.
As far as
Look
the
at
car,
it.
each car has a number. Write down the number that you
Look
want
at
to
it.
win People's Choice.
I got a trailer that no, get it.
Make sure you vote number 19 for People's Choice.
Yeah, I bought it from my bank. How much you bought it There's the hard top.
That's that right.
That's my bike. I don't have the tour pass on it right now. I got a solo seat.
We got to do that. We don't want that.